Thanks to our amazing friends at Elgato, we've got the brand new Facecam 4K. So it's the new successor to the Facecam Pro. So it's a 4K 60 premium webcam. So we'll open up and have a look. Some of the quick specs on this one. So it is a full 4K 60 video feed on there. It has DSLR style control via the Elgato camera hub. You can get HDR picture at 4K 30, and it is also compatible with your standard 49mm filters. So we'll open it up and let's have a look. All right, there we go. We'll get the box out of the way. So it comes with a 2-meter Type-C cable. So it is stamped. Elgato is the only one who actually stamp their cables these days. So hopefully more people also follow that same trend. So 2-meter Type-C cable. We get the book as well. Then we've got our 1/4-inch thread monitor mount. So if you do need to mount it, you can easily just open it up so you can thread it onto the bottom of the camera, stick it on top of your monitor if that's where you want to mount it. So we've got that as well. And we'll show you what the camera looks like. Get the box out of the way. Now we got the camera. All right, so this is what it looks like. So it's the new Elgato Facecam 4K. So it's got a nice big lens on there. It's very light as well, which is pretty good. So it's got the Elgato prime lens, 21mm, nice logo on the top. And we've got our Type-C on the back there. Then we've got our 1/4-inch thread on the bottom there to mount it. So this one, it has the Sony Stratus 2 CMOS sensor. Another cool feature with the new Facecam 4K is it's the first webcam where it actually supports 49mm lens filters. So if you do have your own lens filter, you can actually attach them to this webcam. So if you do need to adjust the picture quality, as usual with the Elgato stuff, you can do everything in the camera hub. Before you install it, make sure your camera hub is up to date. So that way, if you need to adjust anything in there with the picture quality, you can adjust that nice and simple. Some of the other questions we usually get asked as well is if it's compatible with the Elgato prompter. And yes, it is compatible. And the other one is if you can't see the 4K 60 feed in the camera hub app, just make sure you've got your AI backgrounds turned off because that usually stops it coming through because it's only supporting 1080p feeds. So apart from that, if you do have any other questions, by all means, let us know and I'll do my best to help you out. So we'll also do another video comparing the video quality of this compared to the original Facecam that I also have, as well as a Sony DSLR camera that I'm currently using as a webcam. So look out for that one next. Again, thanks to our friends at Elgato for sending this one out. We'll get it set up and then we'll see what it looks like. Thanks, guys.